In today's digital world, even the most careful YouTubers are running into unexpected challenges, especially when it comes to live streaming. From fake sponsorship emails to hidden malware, some creators have faced real setbacks, including losing access to their channels and, in harsher cases, loss of all of their content. This video is here to help you stay one step ahead. We're going to walk through the common tactics hackers use and, more importantly, how you can protect your content, your live streams, and your peace of mind. More and more YouTube creators are getting hacked right in the middle of their live streams. Don't let it happen to you. Hackers use phishing emails, fake software, or even sneakily hijack your live stream key. Just one click and your entire channel could be compromised. In seconds, your account can be taken over. Scammers will delete your content, go live under your name, and trick your viewers. Here are some steps you should take to protect your channel. Step 1. Enable two-step verification. Don't rely on SMS. Use Google Authenticator or a physical security key. Step 2. Keep your stream key secret. If it ever leaks, reset it in YouTube Studio immediately. Here are the steps to reset your stream key. Go to YouTube or YouTube Studio. Click Create and then click Go Live. In the stream settings, click on the Reset button next to your current stream key. Confirm the action when prompted and a new stream key will be generated. Step 3. Avoid suspicious emails or downloads. Never download sponsor files unless you verify the source. Step 4. Use only official streaming tools, OBS from obsproject.com and verified plugins only. Step 5. Audit account permissions. Remove unfamiliar users or brand account managers you don't recognize. And as a precautionary and safety measure, keep a copy of all uploaded content on an external hard drive. Secure your browser, avoid shady extensions, and keep your streaming software updated. A few smart steps now can save your channel later. If you've already been hacked, don't wait. Go to YouTube support immediately and report unauthorized activity. Your live stream should be exciting, not stressful. Like, share, and comment secure if you're locking your channel down today.